Hello, Dr. Darren Wayne here. I am a food scientist, an immunologist, the best-selling author of 80 Hormonal Health Myths Busted, and I am your diabetes health coach. I formulated the healthiest diabetic meal replacement on earth. Nothing out there is healthier than this. In fact, you can go online and not find any other 100% certified organic diabetic meal replacement anywhere on the entire internet. Go figure. I scour the globe for the healthiest plants that can heal your pancreas. Now, what happens when you heal your pancreas? Well, obviously, your blood sugar finally improves. Your insulin, which is an extremely important hormone, finally balances. Your A1C lowers. So many other powerful benefits that you will experience, including no more neuropathy. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. And many are also losing weight without even trying, without any hard exercise. And there's no side effects, there's no interactions, no more injections, and you're just eating. You're doing nothing else but eating. Replace one, preferably 2 meals per day, and you only have to prepare one meal for yourself. Not only are you saving money and saving time, but you're healing your pancreas very fast. You'll be shocked at your progress. You can try 1 can of this hormone balancer, and I call it that because it balances all your hormones in the body, which, as you know, your pancreas has hormones too. They all have to be balanced so everything can work together in your body to start healing your damaged pancreas. And again, it's just food. It's vegan, it's keto, it's paleo. It's everything that you need to heal your entire body, not just your pancreas. But when your body strengthens, it goes where you have injury. And your pancreas has been injured. And guess what? Unfortunately, drugs make it worse. So as you grow stronger, you'll be able to wean yourself off all the drugs you're taking. Imagine a life drug-free finally, and healing your pancreas. Not just balancing this and balancing that, but literally repairing your damaged pancreas, which is the source of all your problems. Imagine what that feels like finally. Now, this food isn't sold anywhere, right? The food in this country isn't healthy enough to actually repair damaged cells. That's why I had to go elsewhere to find it. I had to find soil that was still healthy enough to grow these plants for you. And I have accumulated 14 of them. I eat them often, my family does too, my relatives, my friends, and now thousands of diabetics all over the world, from fetus to senior citizen, all enjoy these powerful benefits that only eating these powerful hormone balancing superfoods can do for your diabetes. And it doesn't matter if you're pre-diabetic, type 1, type 2, gestational. It helps everyone. So, the longer you continue eating it each day, the stronger your pancreas will become. So you can try 1 can if you like. 1 can has 10 meals in it, so you can spread it out over the week if you want. Even have it during a snack to curb those cravings. 1 can per week or 4 cans per month is all you need. That's it. And it has all your nutrition, has more protein than steak, plant probiotics, vitamins, minerals. It has everything. You don't need anything else. Just replace 1, preferably 2 meals per day, and that's it. Mix it in water and it tastes delicious. The most candy-loving adults and children alike all love the taste. And go figure, it's organic too. See, organic doesn't have to taste bad. So, are you ready to begin? Let me make it even better for you. At the end of 3 months, which is just 90 days, if you are not thoroughly shocked at your results, send me an email or text me and tell me so, and I will refund the entire 3 months worth of your meals. That's right. Either you improve, either you are happy with your results, or I just fed you for free. Not to mention, helped you get healthy for free. But no one has ever asked for a refund because there's nothing out there healthier than this. So please order right now, and I will send it out to you within the next couple days so you can start right away. And I'll talk to you very soon.